All right, so this is a video about Flipper. I'll put some information on Flipper on the show notes. Flipper has some GPIO pins on the edge, so you can see here there's 5 volt and 3 volt, and we're going to be using the A7 and A6 pin to light up an LED, to light up LEDs, and that's what it looks like. So the LED setup, I have 2 LEDs here and 2 resistors. So the resistors are 330 ohm resistors going into an LED. So these are going on the ground line. So this is the ground line to the short end of an LED. The long end goes to positive. So those are my 2 LEDs, and then these 2 are the data lines that will go to the A6 and A7 pin on the flipper. So power in this situation isn't really used. It's the ground line to these that is used. So on the flipper, ground line goes in here, and then the data or the GPIO pins will go to A7 and A6, like that. So then on the flipper, you fire it up and go to GPIO, and notice the 5 volt GPIO, we're not using 5 volts, we're using 3.3 volt. And then we want to go to GPIO manual control, and then it shows PA7 and there's a PA6. So PA7 and PA6 map to these 2 pins, A7 and A6. So this is 7 and this is 6. So that is just basic LED lit from GPIO pins on a flipper.